How to download and install Roblox step by step. To download and install Roblox, first of all, you simply have to launch your device's App Store and tap on the search bar, then search for Roblox. Once you search for this application, you will find it just like this. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on the install button. However, the play button is shown up here because I had previously installed it, but you simply have to tap on the install button if you have not. Now, you can simply head backwards and you can open your app drawer. From here, you can enjoy Roblox by simply opening it. Or what you can also do is simply launch any web browser of your choice, tap on that search bar, then type Roblox. Now, once you're here within the official Roblox site, you will find an option to download the application itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.